EliteApps Maintenance Invoicing Lines. In this update, we have developed on the current maintenance job capabilities via EliteApps by adding the ability to assign invoice lines from the app. If we head to our app here and I select our maintenance, I can drill through to my jobs and you'll see I have a job here for a broken skylight. From the job screen, you'll now see there is a tab for lines. If I select lines, you'll see there are already a couple of lines associated to this job. I can add a new one by selecting my 3 dots here and adding maintenance job lines. Here, I can select the date. I can also then select the type code. These type codes can be set and configured within EliteParks. If I click on my search icon here, you'll see I have a few that have already been set up, such as gas bottle, labour, and parts. In this example, I'm going to use parts. Now that I have selected my type code, my description field, the quantity, unit cost and price have pulled through on the basis of the template that I've set up within EliteParks. All I now need to do is save my job line, and this will update the line amount and the total cost here.